everyone. Can you say hello, Miss Rani? Your turn. Excellent. Well done, everyone. I can see Snowy. He's here today and he's got his box. I wonder what's inside the box today. Shall we all say hello to Snowy first? Because Snowy likes to say hello as well. Can you say hello, Snowy? He's giving you all a wave. Snowy, have you got some things inside your box for us to see today? Yes. Shall we see what's inside his box? Okay, Snowy, we're excited to see what's in your box, and we have to sing our song, don't we? Are you ready to join in? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Ooh, the box is moving around. Oh, this is one of Miss Rani's favourite pieces of fruit. Do you know what this is? It's a banana. Miss Rani loves banana. I have at least one banana every day. It's my favourite. My turn. Banana. Your turn. My turn again. Banana. Your turn again. Excellent. Let's give Snowy his banana to look after. He might want some later. Shall we see what else is in Snowy's box today? Ready? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. The box is moving around. What is this, boys and girls? It's a ball. A ball. My turn. Ball. Your turn. My turn again. Ball. Your turn again. Excellent. So today we've got a ball. Miss Rani was playing catch with it then. Just throwing it in the air. It's a good way to practice, boys and girls, some catching skills. I wonder how many times you can throw and catch the ball. Miss Rani's not throwing it very high. She's just throwing it a little bit in the air and then catching it with both hands. As you get better at it, you might be able to. Not sure if I'm going to be able to do this. Oh, I did! Catch it with one hand. It's a bit tricky. So we've got a ball, banana. I might play with Snowy later and our ball and play some catch. Shall we see what else is inside our box? Ready? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Ooh, it's moving around, boys and girls. Oh, there's a few of these. Oh, do you know what these are, boys and girls? We use these when we go shopping. And normally, mummies and aunties and older sisters like these when they go out. These are bags. We have to use these when we go shopping. Bags. My turn. Bags. Your turn. My turn again. Bags. Your turn again. Excellent. So I've got some bags here. This is my bag. Snowy has been looking at my bags. Snowy, keep my bag nice and safe. And this is our shopping bag when we go and get some food, like a banana. Shall we see what else is in our box? Ready? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. My box is moving. My box is moving. Ooh, this is very pretty. boys and girls. Can you see this? Let's bring it to the camera. This is a b-b-bracelet. It's a bracelet. Bracelets go on our wrists. That's where they go, on our wrists. So I'm wearing a different bracelet on this wrist, boys and girls. Can you see? So in our box today, there's a bracelet. It's a pink flower bracelet. My turn. B-b-bracelet. Your turn. My turn again. B-b-bracelet. Your turn again. Excellent. So we've got a b-b-bracelet, b-b-banana, b-b-ball, b-b-bags. And we've got a bracelet I'm going to put just over here on Snowy so it doesn't go missing. I think there's only one more thing in our box. Shall we find out what it is? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, the box is moving. It's ready to open. Ooh. What's this, boys and girls? It's a box, just like this one. But this one is smaller and this one is bigger. So we've got a box. Your turn. My turn. Box. Your turn. Excellent. So today in Snowy's box, we've had a box, some bags. This one's important for going shopping. Just hold that like that so we can see it. Ball. Banana, bracelet. So today our box has had lots of items and objects. I'm going to put them on here and put Snowy back on his box with all his Oh, Snowy, don't fall. I saved him, boys and girls. My bag that he needs to keep safe, and our shopping bag for when we go shopping. So today's sound is B. And when Miss Rani says the B sound, my lips go in. Can you see? B. B. And then you see my teeth open and my mouth opens a little bit. B. My tongue doesn't really sit down or up. B. It's right at the bottom. B. Have a go at practicing. It's a bit of a tricky sound. Don't worry if you don't get it straight away, but have a look at home. Have you got a ball? Have you got a banana? Wonder if any of you've got a toy boat? I don't know. Have a look, and when you see anything that starts with the sound, tell someone in your family. You have done an amazing job today. Should we give ourselves some high fives? Ready? High five, high five, high five. Well done, everyone. I'll see you again soon. Can you say bye? Bye, Miss Rani. Your turn. Bye. Excellent. Can we say bye, bye, everyone? Amazing, everyone. Remember, only one video a day. Bye bye, everyone. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.